Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the account not found error in Microsoft Authenticator. First, open the Authenticator app on your phone. Find the account that is causing the problem. Tap on it, open its settings, and remove the account from the app. Now go back to the main screen and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose the correct option, either personal, work, or school, then sign in again with your details. This will reconnect your account properly. If you recently moved to a new phone, your accounts may not have transferred. On your old phone, open Authenticator and check if cloud backup was turned on in settings. If it was not enabled, your accounts would not be saved. On your new phone, after installing the app, select the Restore from Backup option on the first screen before signing in. This will bring back your previous accounts. If the app is still not working, go to your phone settings, open Apps, select Authenticator, then go to Storage and clear cache and data. If the problem continues, uninstall the app, restart your phone, then install it again from the Play Store and set up your account from the beginning. These steps should help you fix the error and get your account working again. Thanks for watching.